Today I'm going to fit courtesy lights underneath the doors on this Audi A6, and I can't remember if these project the rings only or if they project the rings with the Audi logo. I can't really remember what choice I made. I'm actually shooting two videos in one today, so if you see me wearing the same clothes in the next video, it's because I shot it on the same day. This is what these lights look like, and you can see they've got the little projector over there which will project our logo down onto the ground every time you open the door. So this replaces the OEM light that is situated over here. I'm just going to pop this one off and then see what the wiring is like. You just need to get a little screwdriver in this end to pry it out, and you can get it out. Now the wire is pretty taut, or the plug, and this bulb's pretty hot too, so just got to try and get it out enough to unclip it. Okay, the light has finally gone out. I just want to get the clip off and I'll show you guys what the clip looks like. There we go. And now it's popped back up into the nether regions of the door card. Now if I can't get this cable back, I'm going to have to take the door card off. I had to pull the door card away just at the bottom here to get hold of the plug. You actually don't need this little wire that they supply with the light. I have no idea what that's for. All I did was just plug the plug into the light, the original OEM plug, as you can see there, and it is working. So what I've got is I've got the Audi logo with the word Audi underneath it. I've got the wire routed around and just checking again that I'm putting it in the right way around, and just get this light in. Just got to really get it in there. There we go. I'm busy on the rear door now and I'm having trouble again. There is no leeway for wire. So, I mean, if one of these bulbs actually blow, I don't know how you're gonna do maintenance easily by just unplugging the light and changing a bulb, because you can't do that. You can't pull the wire out enough in order to do any maintenance. So, what I'm doing is, you take this trim off over here. There's a screw over there and there's a screw over there, and then I've undone the screw down here. This should just give you enough room to be able to pull the door card away enough to get your arm in underneath here. It's still not enough space for my arm, so I'm just undoing these screws as well. And the screw that goes in at the bottom down here is a very long one, and it's just they're just Phillips head screws. The two that go in here are also Phillips head, and they're not very long, so I'm just going to remove that one. But to pull the door card away from the car is not an easy job either. Well, you're not going to believe this, but all four doors I need to remove the door cards just partially in order to do this job. I mean, I really don't understand why Audi have made it so difficult just to do a simple task of changing a bulb on a freaking door. I just don't get it. I mean, the cable is so far deep inside there that, and the cable is actually attached to this red light as well. So a cable runs there and then it runs from there down to there, and it's clipped into 3 clips inside the door card over there. So it's so taut you can't get to it. They should have just given at least a little bit of leeway so that you can just pull the light out, change a light bulb and stick it back in. But that's not the case. And in order to get the door card off, there's a screw that is way deep inside here in this hole that you just can't get to. And I'm running the car right now because I'm getting hot and the AC is actually cooling me off. So let's have a look and see what they look like at night. I'm gonna unlock the car, and that's what they look like when the doors are open. And just unlock the rear door. There's the one on the rear door. So all in all, I think a very nice feature to the car. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.